Kashish. I study in Cresta. I am a first year student, BBA CMM. I really like this college as it gives the students the opportunity to explore the outside world rather than just the textbook knowledges. We organized an event at Cresta, which was Model Parliament, an exact replica of Lok Sabha. And it was an informative event at Cresta. And I personally liked that I got to know a lot more about the Parliament, which then I realized that I have a lot to learn about it, and I'm actually interested. And furthermore, we sat together, a group of 15 members, our team. We sat together, we worked on it, we put a lot of input and executed the event really well. So I think the most likable thing about the event was managing it and the stress and the thrill of it. This college helps you and gives you an opportunity to explore the outside world. I think all of that made me want to organize a lot more events.